If you want to compare how different groups are distributed, for example, temperatures against different countries or different people against their salaries, a violin plot can help you see the spread or density or even all these variations at once. In this video, I'm just going to show you an example of how you can use violin plot to show this distribution of spread. We are going to use the Seaborn library, so we will just import it as SNS as well as matplot library. Then we will just create a sample data set. And in this data set, we are not going to do this. We will just create a dictionary of key value pairs. And the first key, we will just call it, we have to put it in string. So we will call it country groups. We will just group the countries into similar. So let's use this example. And then with their values, we will just call it temperatures. Now we will just use we will just create the plot by just passing our data here to the violin plot. And with this, with the x-axis, we will just call it country groups, and with the y-axis, we call it temperature. And our data, it will just be as data over here. We can also improve the violin plot with just specifying the color. So let's say color equals light blue. So next, we will just plot this and then just use the plot.show